Hello everybody, my name is Noah and I'm here to help you with your English. Do you know when to use if and when to use whether? These can be confusing because sometimes either one can be used and it doesn't change the meaning of your sentence, but not always. Let's take a look at this together. In your everyday speech, both whether and if are often used with no difference between them. However, when used in writing or with formal speaking, the general rule is to use if when you have a conditional sentence and whether to show that two alternatives or choices are possible. Let's compare some examples with no differences in meaning and some examples where there is a difference. Henrique didn't know whether his shipment would arrive on Friday. Henrique didn't know if his shipment would arrive on Friday. In both sentences, the meaning is that his shipment may or may not arrive on Friday. There is no difference in the meaning, and the two words are interchangeable. Now let's look at some examples where the words are not interchangeable. Henrique didn't know whether his shipment would arrive on Friday or Saturday. Because I used whether in this sentence, you know there are only two possibilities. His shipment will arrive on Friday or his shipment will arrive on Saturday. So how does the meaning change when I use if? Henrique didn't know if his shipment would arrive on Friday or Saturday. So now it's possible that his shipment may not arrive at all. Let's look at another real-life situation. Henrique and I are in a cafe. I know that I would like to have a coffee, but I'm not sure about Henrique. So I might be thinking, I don't know whether Henrique wants coffee or tea. Again, I don't know whether Henrique wants coffee or tea. So those are the only two choices. But what if I was thinking, I don't know if Henrique wants coffee or tea? Again, I don't know if Henrique wants coffee or tea. Now, there are more than two choices because of if. Henrique might not want anything, or he might want a beer and not coffee or tea. Let's expand it just a little. I don't know if Henrique wants coffee or tea, or even anything at all. We know we can say that because of if. Remember, whether is used when there are only two choices or possibilities. So whether or not you liked this video, please subscribe and tell me why. I'd love to hear from you, and you can tell me what you'd like to learn about. Until next time, keep in touch.